Every person reaches a moment in life when everything seems broken, dreams shattered, confidence gone, and hope fading. I have seen this moment in my own life many times. But what separates successful people from the rest is not talent, not luck, but the ability to rebuild themselves when everything falls apart. When life breaks you, it's not punishing you. It's preparing you. It's teaching you lessons you can't learn when everything is going well. It's showing you who you are when there's nothing left to hold on to. I was rejected many times by schools, by companies, even by people who said they believed in me. I failed the university entrance exam twice. I was turned down by KFC, by the police, by dozens of employers. But those rejections were not barriers. They were the bricks I used to rebuild myself. The first rule of rebuilding yourself is simple: accept failure as a teacher. Don't run from it. Don't hide it. Look at it. Ask it what it wants to teach you. Failure is not a monster. It's a mirror reflecting your weaknesses, so you can become stronger. Many people want to change their lives, but very few are willing to rebuild from the ground up. Rebuilding means starting again, not from zero, but from experience. It means you are wiser now, stronger now, and more dangerous because you have survived. When I started Alibaba, I had no money, no technology, and no support. What I had was belief. When you have belief, you don't need everything else at the beginning. You can build those things later. But without belief, even the best resources won't help you. Rebuilding yourself requires a vision. Not a dream, a vision. A dream is what you want, a vision is what you are willing to suffer for. When you rebuild, you must see the person you can become, not just the situation you are in. You must learn to adapt. The world changes every second. If you are the same person you were yesterday, you are already behind. The future belongs to those who change faster than the world around them. Rebuilding is not about perfection. It's about progress. Every day, take one step toward your new self. One habit, one thought, one action. Even small steps create massive results over time. When you rebuild, people will doubt you. They will laugh. They will question why you're trying again. That's okay. They are not supposed to see your vision. It's not their dream, it's yours. The pain you feel during this process is the price of transformation. Growth is not comfortable. You cannot rebuild yourself without discomfort. You must let go of who you were to become who you can be. In business, I learned that every crisis is a hidden opportunity. The same is true in life. When things fall apart, that's the best time to rebuild. Because only in destruction do you find the freedom to create something new. Stop asking, why me? And start asking, what can I learn from this? The moment your mindset shifts from victim to student, your entire life begins to change. Rebuilding yourself is not about fixing the old version of you. It's about creating a better version, stronger, smarter, more resilient, more focused. You are not restoring, you are reinventing. You will have to unlearn old habits, outdated beliefs, and toxic relationships. Because the version of you that failed cannot be the same version that succeeds. You must outgrow the person who couldn't handle what you're about to achieve. When you fall, don't just stand up differently. Stand up wiser. Stand up clearer. Stand up with purpose. Failure is not about losing, it's about learning how to win. Many people waste years regretting their past. But regret doesn't rebuild anything. Action does. The longer you stare at your mistakes, the harder it becomes to move forward. Forgive yourself for your past mistakes. Don't punish yourself forever. Every great leader has failed, every entrepreneur has stumbled. The only difference is they didn't quit. Sometimes you have to disappear for a while to rebuild yourself. Go silent. Work in the dark. Focus on yourself. Let your results speak when you return. Don't wait for the right time. There is no perfect moment to start over. Start with what you have, where you are, with who you are. Greatness begins in small beginnings. Surround yourself with people who believe in your comeback. You can't rebuild in an environment that constantly reminds you of your failure. Build around believers, not doubters. Rebuilding takes patience. You cannot rush transformation. A seed doesn't become a tree overnight. Growth takes time, but the result is worth every second. Every morning when you wake up, remind yourself, today I am under construction. You are a work in progress. Don't expect perfection, expect persistence. Don't chase money, chase skills. Don't chase fame, chase growth. The better you become, the more valuable you become. The world rewards value, not wishes. When I built Alibaba, my goal was never just to make money. My goal was to create value for others. When you rebuild yourself, think beyond survival. Think about how you can serve others through your transformation. If life pushes you down, push back harder. Strength is not built in comfort. It's built in resistance. The more you struggle, the more you evolve. You will never rebuild successfully if you keep comparing yourself to others. Comparison kills confidence. Focus on your lane. Your story is unique. Don't measure it with someone else's chapter. Rebuilding requires humility. Admit what you don't know. Learn from everyone, from children, competitors, and even your critics. Pride blocks growth, humility invites it. Pain, failure, and loneliness, these are the three teachers of transformation. Don't run from them. Sit with them. Listen to what they are teaching you. At your lowest point, remember this: the ground you hit is the same ground you'll use to push yourself back up. You are not buried. You are being replanted. You cannot rebuild without clarity. Ask yourself, who do I want to become? What kind of person do I need to be to achieve that? Answer these questions honestly. The process will break your ego. It will test your patience. It will make you doubt everything. But that's how diamonds are made, through pressure, not comfort. Stop waiting for others to understand your journey. They can't see your vision because it's not their life. Rebuilding is a solo mission before it becomes a success story. Turn your pain into power. Every scar you have is proof that you survived. Wear your scars with pride. They are the marks of your rebirth. Never let your past define your future. Your history is just data. Use it to create better decisions, not excuses. When you rebuild yourself, your energy changes. You start attracting new people, new ideas, new opportunities. The universe responds to those who refuse to give up. Discipline will be your best friend during this journey. Motivation fades, but discipline keeps you going when you don't feel like it. Most people want success quickly, but success that comes fast often disappears fast. Rebuilding slowly gives you stability. Slow progress is still progress. Learn to enjoy the process. Don't just live for the result. Every day you improve, every lesson you learn, every challenge you overcome, that's success too. Remember, the old version of you fought hard to survive. The new version of you will fight harder to thrive. Honor your past, but don't live in it. When people say, "You've changed," take it as a compliment. Change is the evidence that you're rebuilding. You were never meant to stay the same. Trust the timing of your life. Sometimes things fall apart because something better is being built for you and within you. Stay curious. Always be learning. The more you grow your mind, the faster you rebuild your life. Don't let temporary failure become permanent identity. You are not your mistakes, you are your ability to rise after them. Success is not built on comfort. It's built on challenges that force you to evolve. Embrace them, they are shaping your comeback. When rebuilding, silence your inner critic. That voice that says you can't, it's lying. It fears your potential. Focus on daily habits. Small actions repeated daily create massive change. Rebuilding is not about doing more, it's about doing better consistently. Every night, ask yourself, did I grow today? If the answer is yes, then you're rebuilding correctly. Be proud of your scars. They are proof that you were strong enough to heal. Broken doesn't mean finished, it means you're under repair. The people who rebuild themselves become unshakable. Because once you've lost everything and survived, fear loses its power over you. Don't seek validation. Seek growth. The applause will come later, but first, you must become the person worthy of it. When you rebuild, you will lose some people. Don't chase them. The new you want fit the old crowd. Keep moving forward even if it's slow, even if it's painful. Motion creates momentum, and momentum rebuilds everything. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Every failure contains the seed of success. You just have to water it with belief and hard work. Never forget you are your greatest project. You are the masterpiece being rebuilt piece by piece. Respect your process. Success doesn't come to those who never fall. It comes to those who rise after falling every single time. Be patient. The new version of you is under construction. Don't rush greatness, it's being built brick by brick. The day will come when you'll look back and realize the pain was worth it. The struggle was necessary, because without it, you wouldn't have become this strong. You are not broken, you are becoming. You are not finished, you are forming. Rebuilding is not a comeback, it's a new beginning. So rebuild yourself with belief, with courage, with patience. Don't wait for the world to give you permission. Give it to yourself because your next chapter deserves the best version of you.